Hi everybody, welcome to QRiodesk, and in this video we will be deriving the distance formula which is used to calculate the distance between any 2 points in a coordinate system. So for example, if we take a point, just let's select a random point here, this point, and let's not think that it is 2, let's think it is x1 and this is y1, so that this point becomes x1 comma y1. And let's take some other point somewhere here, and this is suppose not 6 and this is x2, and this is also not 6 and this is y2, so that this big point becomes x2 comma y2. The first one always comes from the x coordinate and the second one comes from the y coordinate. And now here we are supposed to find the distance, this one. So let's say that this point is A and this point is B. So what we are going to do is we will drop these lines here, perpendicular lines towards on the x-axis like this, and also a horizontal line like this, okay, and so that we get a right angle triangle here. So A, B, and suppose this is C, right, and this right angle is right angled at C. Now if we can find this distance, what is this distance? And this distance is this one, which is 6 minus 3, or y2 minus y1, right? 6 minus 3, this is 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is y2 minus y1. And what about this distance? This distance is x2 minus x1. This is 6 minus 2, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this is x2 minus x1. Okay, now write a triangle ABC using Pythagoras theorem. We can say that the hypotenuse squared is equal to base squared plus perpendicular squared, and here the hypotenuse is AB. Square it. The base is AC, square it, and the perpendicular is BC, like this. AB is the distance that we are supposed to calculate. AB squared is equal to AC is how much? AC is x2 minus x1, and you put the whole squared here, and BC is how much? y2 minus y1. You put the whole square there, and now taking square root on both sides, we can say that here AB is equals to the square root, and the square will get cancelled, and here we'll have a square root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Pretty simple. Now if we want to actually calculate the distance here, this one, let's substitute the values. The distance AB will be equal to root over x2 is 6 minus x1 is 2 whole squared plus y2 is 6 minus y1 is 3 whole squared, and AB will be equal to root over 6 minus 2, 4 squared is 16, plus 6 minus 3, 3 squared is 9. Yeah, 9. And that'll be 6 plus 9 will be equal to root over 25, and that will be equal to 5 units. Okay, so that means that this distance AB, this is 5 units. Yeah, so I think it's pretty simple, and thank you so much.